everyone, thanks for stopping back for another video. And if you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am happy to have you. And for my returning subscribers, thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch another video. And today's video is from Look Fantastic. And I just opened the box, and it actually comes from the UK, so it has the customs paperwork on it. And it has an outer box and then the inner box. So let's take it out of this one. And we can get rid of that box. So this is what this box looks like. Beautiful, nice green box. Look Fantastic Beauty Box is their hashtag. I love these boxes. They're great to store, you know, makeup in, or just to store other kind of items in. Before we get into the box, a little bit about Look Fantastic. They are a UK-based box, so it does come, you know, from the UK. That's why there's customs paperwork. This box cost $19 US, and everything in their booklet for pricing-wise is always going to be pounds. And just real fast, the conversion rate, £1 is equal to $1.27 US. So $1.27 in the US. If you guys want to do the conversions, I'm not into doing that. You get to choose between 1, 3, 6, or 12-month plans, and they have what they call a rolling subscription. And basically what that means is if you choose to take a 6-month subscription with Look Fantastic, you don't pay for the 6 months all up front. They continue to bill you each month. I don't generally do that. I usually do month to month. This way I can get out if I want to. I'm not committed to 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, but you do save probably a little bit of money by doing it that way. And that's what they mean by a rolling subscription. Even though you say you're going to do the 6 months, you might be locked into that, but they only bill you every month. So that's always pretty affordable. I don't want to have to, you know, pay for 6 months all up front. I don't mind 3, but 6 is a lot. And this box has free international shipping, which is good. You get 6 beauty products with a value of over 65 pounds. And you always get the latest edition. I'll show you what the inside of the box looks like. So you get the latest edition of Elle magazine, which is just, you know, a mini version. I know last month we got a sample in the magazine of, I think it was Miss Dior, and I really like that. I would not have tried it any other time, but they're great because they fit nicely in your handbag. And we have a, I don't know where this is for. I guess this is like an online market. They gave us a coupon, which I don't use. And then you get a beauty book, which does give you an August sneak peek for the box. Looks like we're going to be getting a Luxie 737 tapered highlighter brush. Luxie brushes are very nice. And besides telling you the products, it does give you some information, you know, about your complexion and hyaluronic acid and glowy skin. And I mean, it's an interesting read, and you always get a nice little note from the editor. So we'll be using this as we go through the box. And this is what it looks like. Nice paper, always a nice their little label on it. So then they usually, I'll just remove this so you can get a better look. Always, you know, corresponding little, you know, the paper noodles, which is nice. Something smells good in this box again. I don't know what, but we'll find out. Last time I opened their box, it smelled delicious, and it was the Corez soap, and it makes the whole box just smell enticing. So let's get right into it. So remember, this is in pounds, not, unless you're UK based, it's not in US dollars, so you'll have to convert that. It looks like we have an Elle product, which is always nice. And these are samples or sample size. I don't know. I guess it would tell us if we're getting a full size, but I don't mind getting samples. So this is from Elle, and this is the Hydra Balance Day Cream, and this is part of their advanced skincare line. And this is worth £19 10 full size. This is a sample size. So that's nice. I'm always happy. Let me see if they, yes, they still do. the safety seal, which is nice. I might give this in a giveaway since it's sample size and let one of you try some LMS products. The next product is from Vitamasks. I'm not sure if I said that right, and that's going to have such a glare. And this is the gold iPads, and this has a value of £5.99. I'm assuming you probably get some in a box. I would have to look all this up and see if you get like 5 in a box or what. However, I doubt that this is worth that, but this is a nice gold eye mask, and this says brightening and firming, made with real gold extract and hyaluronic acid. So that's nice to have. And the next item in the box is from Aromatherapy Associates, and this is Revive Body Gel, and it's worth £12. Refreshing and invigorating. This is Revive. Infused with grapefruit, rosemary, and juniper essential oils. Stimulates circulation and reduces fluid retention, leaving skin soft and supple. Perfect for summer months. It's quick drying gel, cools the skin upon application. Okay, that's nice. Nice little sample size. Okay, so what is this about? So this is from, I would assume the company is called Glove, Glov. And this is On the Go Hydro Cleanser, and it's worth £11.90. Cleanse skin without a cleanser with the Glove on the Glow cleansing glove. Okay. I don't necessarily know if I would do that, but maybe to take away like in an overnight bag or a weekender bag, maybe. We have a product that, this has got all kinds of fuzzies on it from here. This is from Ico, and this is a fat eye stick gel. So here it is from Ico. And this is smoke or satin. Let's see, which one do I have? It doesn't say. Anywhere it doesn't say. It's an intense color and a glossy finish. Yeah, there's no. So this is what it looks like right here, the color. I don't know if that's smoke or satin, since it doesn't say. I don't see it on the lid has the ingredients. This is an eye stick gel, so there's that. So that is worth £12. So I don't know which color it is. I would assume it's the smoke, because the other colors look way darker, and so I would assume this is the smoke. Looks like they have 3 different colors, and I can show you here so you can see the difference in the colors. So I don't know which one I have there. It's kind of hard to tell when they don't label it. And this, which I am not even going to try to pronounce, I don't think. Neobe. Maybe I didn't slaughter that too bad. And this is an illuminating micellar water, and it's worth £11. It's just a natural micellar water enriched with green tea to protect against environmental pollution, and aloe vera to rehydrate and soothe. And this micellar water is suitable for all skin types. So I'm all about that. I use micellar water all the time. So let me see. And it doesn't really have, it just has a clean scent, and it is just, a squeeze top. You just put your cotton round or your cotton ball there too. And I would assume that might be a full-size item, because usually a sample, this is 200 ml, 6.75 fluid ounces. I would assume that's that could be a full-size item. And that is everything in the box. So I will quickly show you. This is the Elle product, the page for LMS. And then this is the eye patch and the aromatherapy page. Right there. And then we have the glove product. And then here is the Ico product and the micellar water. So overall, I don't think that's a bad box. I mean, we have Elemis, a micellar water, you know, this we could always use, and you can use this at home, this little glove. This body gel is always nice. Elemis, that Ico is a nice brand. And then I'm curious about the gold eye patch. So I think that that's, you know, a decent, everything's going to start falling, a decent box for $19, 19 US dollars. I think it's 15 pounds in the UK. So the fact that they can still keep this at free shipping, since they're sending it, you know, from Europe in the UK over to the US, I think that's phenomenal. And I generally do read some of this information, you know, about hyaluronic acid and just all that stuff. I mean, you pick up little tips and tricks by just reading these little, I mean, that's the purpose of them. They give you, you know, for glowy skin, and gives you some products that you could use. So, you know, these books do serve a purpose, not just to give us the pricing and so forth like that. So this is the July Look Fantastic box. And leave me a comment down below. Do you get Look Fantastic? Would you get it based upon the products that I've gotten? I think this is my second month. I think June was my first and July is the second box. And I usually like to give a box that I purchase for the channel 3 months and see where it stands. And, you know, not every box is going to be, you know, the super great box. There's going to be hits and misses along the way. And I'm okay with that because they, you know, they're trying to please a lot of different skin types and personalities and what you like, what you don't like. So I think they all do, you know, a fairly good job based upon that information. So don't forget to like this video and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for watching, and see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.